Hello guys, today I am talking about how to make bootable pen drive. So first time check it, my pen drive is connected or not. I'm going here and going to this PC. This is my pen drive. Now I'm going to format this pen drive. Press right click, going to format option. Press start. All data are format of your pen drive. So press OK. Now pen drive is format. Now I'm going to download Rupus software, which are very helpful to make bootable. So I open here Google, type here Rupus IS image download, and download here Rupus. You can download any website. I am already downloaded, so I am going directly open this software here and now Rupus is open, and this is my pen drive 16 GB. Here you can choose pre-DOS IS image, 3D image. I am here choose IS image and press here. This is my IS image of Windows 7. Select this and open this. Now press start. Okay. It takes some time. Ready. So close the bus and now I'm check it's a boot or not. So I'm going to here and this PC. This is my bootable. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, like, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video.